What are you girls doing?
Making Emily a bird. Oh, it doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. Does it choke you? Yeah. Oh, okay. Now, Zeke. Away.
Look at you.
Here we go. Quack, quack. Don't break. Don't crack. Somebody please let Ziggy in. And then you can steal. Now here comes the tail.
Katie, move.
Some bird. Not yet. Oh, sorry, Em. Some bird.
What's the matter with the bird?
Your birds are silly. Uh-oh. Okay, this is not the end.
Okay, come over here by Laura and show me your tail. No, I can't see it. You have to stand out here more. It's Emily's tail. Okay, Emily, turn around and flap your wings.
Flap your wings. Oh, wait, not yet, not yet. There. Flap your wings now.
You're not going to smile even?
Emily, smile for the camera. Smile for the camera.
Where'd you get the idea for this?
Oh, I just saw this and I decided to make wings out of it. Then I decided to make the beak and Emily reminded me of the tail. I made a red tail. She's a bluebird. And the red tail is
She's
not
a blue bird with a red tail, huh?
Yeah. Stop it. Look at Mommy. Look at Mommy. Look at Mommy. It's in the back of there. It's still on, okay? Okay.
I like your bird, Emily. You make a cute bird.
No, she doesn't. Yes, she does.
Give me a smile, Em.
Give Mommy a smile in the camera.
There, that's a pretty smile. What do birds say?
Tweet, tweet.
You're a good bird. Are you a baby bird?
Yeah. I'm a mama bird. Mama bird? That's why she got so many feathers. See, here are the feathers, these little round things. That hurt. Oop, it's falling down. Look, Oh. Show him your tail again. Fly around the house so Mommy can see how you do it. Wait. Well, it doesn't matter about your wings. Just fly around the house to see how Mom. Just run around.